How do you go from this
Um, well,
That's a tough one.
to this?
okay, that's an easy question. Basically, everybody was.
By learning to think critically. It's simple. Gather people and use our discussion kits. They're the structured guides built around Yaqeen's articles to help you talk through the toughest faith topics in an understanding group setting. Each circle is guided by a facilitator. That could be you or anyone else. All facilitators receive easy online training on conducting meaningful and productive discussions. These discussions are designed to make you comfortable with confronting challenging topics, breaking them down, and arriving at a greater understanding of your faith and your world. You're allowed to start with, but you'll walk away with the conviction to be confidently Muslim. Find your voice with Conviction Circles.